Hello waving hand viewers, my channel YouTube Life Car 182. The GMC Hummer EV pickup is a revolutionary all-electric super truck that combines extreme off-road capability with cutting-edge EV technology. Below is a detailed breakdown of its features, performance, and specifications. 1. Performance and powertrain. The Hummer EV pickup is built on GM's Ultium battery platform, offering incredible power and off-road capabilities. Power and speed. Horsepower, EV2 and EV2X, 625 HP EV3X and Edition 1, 1000 HP torque. GM estimates 11,500 lb-ft actual wheel torque, not engine torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.0 seconds EV3X and Edition 1 using watts to freedom WTF mode. Drive modes, normal, off-road, terrain, and tow haul. Watts to freedom WTF mode for launch acceleration. Extract mode raises the suspension by 6 inches. 2. Battery and charging. The Hummer EV uses GM's Ultium battery technology, known for its fast charging and efficiency. Battery pack, EV2 and EV2X, 16 module pack. EV3X and Edition 1, 24 module pack. Range EPA estimated, EV2, 250 plus miles. EV2X and EV3X, 300 plus miles. Edition 1, 329 miles. Charging, 800 VDC fast charging up to 350 kilowatts. Adds 100 miles of range in 10 minutes. Compatible with level 2 home charging. 3. Off-road features. The Hummer EV is designed for serious off-roading, with several unique features. CrabWalk Mode, uses 4-wheel steering to move diagonally for tight spaces. Adaptive air suspension. Extract mode lifts the truck 6 inches for extreme terrains. Underbody protection, skid plates and rock sliders for protection. 35-inch all-terrain tires stock. Can be upgraded to 37-inch tires. 4. Interior and technology. The Hummer EV pickup features a modern, tech-heavy interior with rugged design elements. Interior features. Infinity roof, removable transparent sky panels stores in the front trunk. 12.3-inch digital driver display. 13.4-inch infotainment screen. Google built-in with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Super Cruise, hands-free driving with automatic lane change on highways. Premium audio, 14-speaker Bose sound system. 5. Towing and payload. The Hummer EV is built to haul and tow, though its weight reduces towing capacity compared to some rivals. Towing capacity, EV2X, 8,000 pounds. EV3X, 12,000 pounds. Payload capacity, up to 1,300 pounds. 6. Trims and pricing estimated. 7. Availability and competition. Availability. Deliveries started in late 2021. Edition 1, with other trims rolling out by 2024 to 2025. Key competitors, Rivian R1T, more range, better towing. Tesla Cybertruck, similar off-road focus, but more futuristic. Ford F-150 Lightning, more traditional pickup with lower price. Final thoughts? The GMC Hummer EV pickup is a high-performance, luxury off-road EV truck with impressive power and unique features like CrabWalk, Extract Mode, and Super Cruise. However, its high price, heavy weight, and limited towing may make other EV trucks more practical for daily use. Would you like comparisons, availability updates, or specific details on something else?